Most people earn more every year and save less every year. And here's the truth nobody tells you. It is not a salary problem. It is a system problem. People earning $30,000 feel broke. People earning $100,000 feel broke. People earning $300,000 feel broke because income without a system means nothing. Today, I am building that complete system for you using Claude and Notion, both completely free. And by the end of this video, you will have what wealthy people pay consultants thousands of dollars to build for them. So, let us start with the income audit. Open Claude at Claude.ai and type this. I earn this amount per month, after tax. I have these additional income sources. Help me understand my full financial position by asking me questions about my expenses, debts, and savings. Then, give me an honest assessment. Claude will ask you targeted questions. It does not judge, it analyzes. And from that single conversation, you will get your true monthly surplus or deficit, your debt-to-income ratio, your savings rate as a percentage of income, and a completely clear picture of your financial health right now. Most people have never seen this clearly, because building this picture manually is time-consuming and uncomfortable. But Claude makes it fast and removes the emotional difficulty entirely. You cannot improve what you have not measured. So, do this honestly. Now, once you have that full picture, we build the spending system, and the framework that works for most people is 50-30-20. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, food, transport, and utilities. 30% goes to wants,
this is the
like
perfect way to spend a Friday night.
Dining out, and hobbies.
I
And
completely
20%
agree.
goes automatically to savings and debt repayment. Ask Claude to apply this framework to your exact income, and it will show you precise amounts for each category. Then show you what happens to your savings and your debt if you follow this consistently for 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. If the framework does not fit your situation, just tell Claude why, and it will suggest a modified version that is realistic for you while still making meaningful financial progress. Build this budget inside Notion using the template Claude creates for you. Review it every Sunday evening for 10 minutes and adjust monthly based on what the previous month showed you. This system does not restrict your life. It gives you permission to spend on what actually matters without guilt, because the savings are already handled before you ever see that money. Managing expenses is only half the equation. Growing income is the other half. And most financial advice focuses only on cutting spending, because cutting is easier to advise than growing. But there is a mathematical ceiling to cutting. You can only cut to zero. Income has no ceiling. So ask Claude this. Based on someone working in my job or field, what are 3 realistic ways to increase income in the next 6 months? Include both advancement within current employment and side income options that could be built part-time using AI tools. Claude will give you 3 tailored options, and in 2025, the fastest option for most people is AI-powered freelancing, because the skill barrier has been completely removed. Pick one side income option. Spend 5 hours per week building it. Month 1 is setup and first client outreach. Month 2 is your first paying client or first product sold. Month 3, the system is running and earning regularly. And at the same time, negotiate your current salary, because most people never ask for a raise, and of those who do, most get one. Because employers expect this conversation, and they budget for it. They would rather keep a good employee than recruit and train a replacement. So ask Claude to help you prepare a complete
I believe my
script for
contributions
requesting a
warrant a
raise,
significant increase,
including how to frame
aligning
your
with the
value,
market rate.
what
We
evidence
agree.
to gather,
We're formalizing
and
the
how
new
to
structure
handle a
and-
no-one conversation. Potentially thousands of dollars per year in extra income, and Claude prepares you for it in 10 minutes. With your spending system working and your income growing, the final step is making your money work while you sleep. And this happens in 3 steps, done in this exact order. Step 1 is the emergency fund. Before investing anything, you need 3 months of expenses saved. This is not optional. It is the foundation everything else rests on. Use Claude to calculate your exact number and the timeline to reach it. Step 2 is eliminating high-interest debt. Any debt above 10% interest should be paid aggressively before you invest anything. Because the guaranteed return from eliminating 20% debt beats most investment returns mathematically. Use Claude to build your debt elimination plan. Step 3 is consistent investing. Once your emergency fund is complete and your high-interest debt is cleared, start investing every single month automatically. Because small amounts invested consistently beat large amounts invested occasionally, every single time. Use Claude to understand your investment options and the compounding effect of starting today versus waiting, even 6 months. These 3 steps, done in order, build a financial foundation that compounds for decades. So here is what you now have. 4 parts. 1. Complete financial system, all free. The income audit to understand your true position honestly. The 50-30-20 spending system, personalized by Claude to your exact numbers. The income growth plan, with 1 side hustle and 1 salary conversation. And the wealth building sequence of emergency fund first, then debt elimination, then consistent investing. This is what wealthy people have had for years, and now you have it too, for free. Claude is at Claude AI. Notion is at notion.so, both linked below. Subscribe because there is a new video every alternative day, and I will see you tomorrow.